A spiritual person does not need a doctorate degree. You don't need to be a scholar. You can be a teenager, you can be a young boy. But if your heart is, Lord, I surrender my life to you. That's spiritual. So let's look at this verse. If anyone is caught in any trespass. This word caught is a very interesting word. It has the idea of, it is used to describe a trap. You trap an animal. In other words, sometimes Christians, many of us do not wake up in the morning planning to commit adultery. You don't plan to destroy your reputation. You don't plan to murder people. You don't plan to destroy the name of Christ. But the truth is, if you're not careful, you're ensnared. You get caught. Nobody plans in the morning to wake up and say, I want to destroy my reputation. I want to destroy my family. People don't do that. But the Bible says you get caught in sin. So what must we do? Look at what the Bible says. You who are spiritual, what must you do? Restore such a one in spirit of gentleness. Each one looking to yourself so that you will not be tempted. I want to highlight the importance of our responsibility. If you are spirit-filled, if you are spiritual, your mindset is to restore. Now the word restore has the idea of the following. In the original language, it is used to describe a doctor fixing broken bones. My nephew broke his collarbone on both sides, on one side, because he likes to play hockey. What the doctor did is to make sure it is restored gently. When you restore somebody, it's like fixing broken bones. Gently. Another word used to describe restore is fixing nets. It is used to describe fishermen when they mend their nets. When fishermen go fishing, sometimes the nets are broken, so they need to fix it. The word restore means to put back the nets so that it will be useful again. Another word to describe restore is the one described in the book of Nehemiah, when he restored the wall. The walls were broken. To restore the wall, you put up bricks by bricks. So gentlemen, you and I are commanded by the Lord. This is a command to restore. You know my tendency, when people are in trouble, we have a tendency to not want to get involved. Because we're busy. We're self-centered. We just think of us. The Bible says no. You think of others. When you see others caught in sin, do not cancel them. Do not attack them. You must love them. Restore them. You see, our tendency is to judge people. He tells you, for all believers, today, when you see somebody caught in sin, what must you do? Everybody read? Restore. Beautiful word. How? In a spirit of gentleness. Be loving. How? Be humble. Each one looking down yourself so that you too will not be tempted. So when you help people, do not think you are beyond temptation. Be humble. That should be your attitude. Now, I was just thinking, if all of us will practice this verse, a spiritual man will restore. What will happen?